St. Catherine mother and son missing. 2 killed in Trelawney crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 30-year-old Sandrine Dwar and her son, 2-year-old Zachary Byfield, both of Irish Penn, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, have been missing for almost a month. Dwar is of brown complexion, about 5 feet 6 inches tall, and sports a dreadlocks hairstyle, while Zachary is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 3 feet tall. Reports from the Portmore police are that Dwar and Zachary were last seen at home on October 3. Their mode of dress at the time they went missing are unknown, and they have not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Sandrine Dwar and Zachary Byfield is being asked to contact the Portmore police at 876-949-8422, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. Members of the traffic department in the Trelawney Police Division are probing a crash involving a truck and a motor car that resulted in the death of 2 male Americans on the Rio Bueno main road in Trelawney on Monday afternoon. The identities of the deceased have not yet been disclosed. Reports are that about 4:45 p.m., a Nissan Note motor car, driven by one of the foreign nationals, was traveling on the Rio Bueno main road towards St. Anne when it collided with an international truck heading in the opposite direction. The driver of the car and his passenger suffered injuries from the impact of the crash and died on the spot. The